think you need thousands to start trading. What if I told you? You can start with $1. In the world of trading, it's easy to get lost. So much info, so little clarity, especially for beginners. One question floods my inbox every day. How much money do I need to start trading? $1,000. $10,000.
Oh my God!
Here is the truth, and it might surprise you. You can start with $0. Too many newbies jump into the market with their savings and zero experience. They lose it all, then quit forever. But what if you could avoid that? With zero risk. You can, using trading simulators. Paper trading lets you try out strategies, manage risk, control emotions, all without risking real money. Most beginners skip this step, and honestly, that's why most beginners fail. There are many simulators, but my top pick, XTrend Pro. It's clean, easy to use, and beginner-friendly. XTrend Pro, XTrend Pro, XTrend Pro. And when you sign up, you get free shares. Like Apple, Tesla, or Coca-Cola. Not a bad start, huh? So, don't throw money into chaos. Learn first, trade smart, and start with $1. Try XTrend Pro today and build the trader in you before you risk a single dollar.